Hello everyone, welcome. Spateria here. The Microsoft Store isn't the most popular store, riddled as it is with bugs, crashes, and a tendency to not work. It does have some good stuff in it, though, and the UI and overall experience have improved much since Windows 11 came out. Even so, if Microsoft Store is currently not working for you, here's how to fix Microsoft Store not working and reinstall Microsoft Store. Method 1. Run WS reset command. Type run in the search bar and open. Input command reset.exe. Press enter or OK. And restart your computer. Method 2. Changing region and language settings. Input region in your search bar. Check and correct your region and language settings. Method 3. Reset Microsoft Store using settings. Click Start and click Setting. Click Menu Apps. Type Microsoft Store. Click Advanced Setting. Scroll down and press Reset. And restart your computer. Method 4. Run Troubleshooter. Type Troubleshooter in the search bar. Click Tab Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooter. Click Windows Store Apps and click Troubleshooters. These is 4 methods how to fix Microsoft Store not working and reinstalling Microsoft Store. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Spateria channel. Thanks for watching.